at the local car show, just showing the kids a little bit of something new. We got the crawlers out here. We got a little bit of road course, a little bit of drag racing. We also got some show cars, a little bit of dirt bikes. We also even got some needs over here to pacify your gas car love.
That bad boy right there. Then look what we brought out. This big boy right here, he don't come out and play all the time. Not even this one come out and play.
Still got boxes.
Still got boxes. You see that? It say 80 miles per hour on there. You see that? You definitely see that. Straight stock. Come on with it. Got this bad girl right here. Y'all come on down to Rockmart, Walmart, 10 to 2. Car show. It's good for health for the United Kids Health Foundation. He okay. He's okay. He's fine. He's fine. You put on the chain? It go in the front of the car. Let me show you. You go on here.
There. Got your baby one right there. Rat rod. Nice, nice. Got a big old cam loop in there. Trans Am Firebird. Then you got the Harley Davidson Trans Am. All right, we starting to see them new tees that get made. Let's see them. Oh, you see it. Line them up.
RC.
That's right, that's right. First event popping back out. Brought a few cars out.